Christine here from Sage Wellness. I'm a massage therapist here, and one thing I'm noticing is that the #1 stretch that we've been giving our clients is for the chest, also known as your pectorals. Now let's just talk a little bit about the muscle before I show you how to give it a really good stretch. So I'm opening up my arm to show you that our pecs attach from the center of our chest and a little bit of our collarbone and go right across into the arm. So if you want to stop and think about your lifestyle, how often are you open like this? Most of the time we're in more of a closed state. So I'm just going to show you from the side that when the pecs are short and the front of the body gets short, it starts to round the shoulder forward. And now the back muscles are getting weak. They're getting pulled out of that state of balance. So we really want to stay in balance, but if you think about working, we often sit for a living. So not only are we sitting, but we're possibly typing, writing. Look how my shoulders are rounded. I'm exaggerating a little bit, but even when we're texting, sleeping, how often are we opening up our chests? So right now I'm going to show you a really easy way to stretch your pecs, and all you need is a wall. So one of the easiest ways to stretch your pecs is a wall. I'm pretty sure you'll be able to find one. So I'm just going to turn my back from you for a second and demonstrate. So we want to have our hand flat against the wall, and we don't really want our arm to move at all. What I'm going to try and do is separate where the muscles attach. So I'm going to slowly, and you may feel a stretch here already, and that's okay because every body is different. Now I'm going to walk a little bit. If you want to just zoom down to my feet here, Tara, I'm just simply slowly turning my body and moving my feet away from the wall, but my hand stays on the wall and my arm is not moving. So I feel a pretty good stretch here. So I'm going to hold that. And we hold stretches for a minimum of 1 minute. It sounds like a really long time, but I truly believe that there's no point in stretching unless you're going to hold it and give the muscle fibers a chance to adapt to their new length. You always want to stretch to feel comfortable, and you never want there to be any pain. Now that wasn't a minute, but I want to talk to you face on. So just remember that before you stretch, you've got to stay within your comfort zone. It's okay to explore that edge, but you don't want to go too much further than that because that can cause injury. I'm back again to show you my other favorite pec stretch, which is the pec doorway stretch. As you can see, all you need is a handy dandy doorway. So I'm already in the position that I need to be in. What I like about this one is if you're pressed for time, you simply can do both sides at the same time. So I've got my shoulders and I've got my elbow at 90 degrees here. So I'm at shoulder height and I've got a nice 90-degree angle on both sides. Now I'm just going to pick whichever leg I want, and I'm going to simply step forward. So the more you step forward, the more you're going to be stretching that pec. So I can already feel this. And if you just want to point down for a second, you always want to keep that knee in line with the ankle. So I've just shown you my two favorite pec chest opening stretches. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you found this little demonstration helpful. Just a little bit about upper body posture. This is the first couple videos in a series of videos from not just me, but from other practitioners here at Sage Wellness. So more to come. And once again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our Sage Wellness YouTube channel. And I'll see you really soon. Thanks.